basically I'm gonna live in the laundry room today. Thinking about that moment when I get to crawl into my fresh sheets with my favorite sweatshirt on and read a book. Once you've gone down that road, you can't turn back. This is my combo. Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. We have passed the 1 week mark. This is unbelievable to me, honestly. I am feeling myself inching closer and closer. Oh, I just cracked my knuckle, gross. Closer and closer to falling down a deep, dark hole of seasonal depression, if I'm being totally honest. So today we're gonna try to be proactive. I'm using this video as an excuse to get my life together. I feel like everything is out of control right now. My room is in chaos. I have so much laundry to do. I have to wash my bedding. I have to shower. I have been neglecting a lot of things in favor of just decaying in my bed while I edit. This is a really not cheery intro. I am so sorry. We're gonna take care of this today. We're also going to take care of this today. Like, why is my laundry seeping into my bathroom? It just is. I need to wash my towels today too. Basically, I'm gonna live in the laundry room today. Okay, so speaking of that, I have a product that I am officially obsessed with to share with you, and it's laundry detergent strips. So these ones I've decanted into this jar just because it's a lot cuter. These are from the company Good Juju. I'll link them down below. These are, oh my gosh, they're so good. This is just like the original scent. I don't know, they have another scent and then an unscented one. They're basically just these tabs that are like all natural, biodegradable, all that stuff you want. And you pretty much just tear them up and put them in with your load. You don't put them in like the detergent compartment or anything like that. You just tear them into small pieces, throw them on top, and they work really well. This was $15 for 32 loads, and so I cut them in half to see if I could make it last a little bit longer, because I'm not the biggest like detergent-y person. Just because it can be a lot, like it just has to get the clothes clean. That's all I care about. I don't really want it to like smell too much. And so half of this worked really well for my preferences, but on the package it said double up if you have something like more heavy duty or something with stains. I've only tried this on clothing so far. I haven't tried it on my bedding yet, but it works really, really well. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do is take the sheets off my bed and start washing my bedding. I'm gonna use 3 tabs of these, so like 1.5 of the regular, or maybe I'll use 4. Should I just use 4? Yeah. We're trying to wash that slump away. We need 4. Did anyone else watch Stuart Little as a kid and just have like crippling anxiety about washing machines? Because I did. Okay, this bed is going to become the laundry sorting zone. I'm gonna pile all of the clothes that are everywhere right now onto my bed and then sort them into clean and dirty, and then sort the dirty clothes into bags to go to the laundry room. I've talked about these before, but worth a mention again. My favorite way to sort my laundry loads and like bring my laundry to the laundry room are these like mesh market bags. They take up virtually no space. I just hang this in my closet just like this, but they fit an entire load of laundry. And especially if your laundry room isn't on the same floor as you, if you live in an apartment and have to go many floors away, or if you don't even have laundry in your building and you have to travel with it, this is really easy because you can just like sling it over your shoulder like this. So I would highly recommend getting some of these. I never use like laundry baskets like this because they're not convenient at all. One of the most important things when you're doing a nice reset is to make sure that in the laundry that you do, you put your best rotation of sweats or pajamas in, so that when you're done cleaning your space, you can light a nice scented candle or put on your diffuser, you have a shower, you come out all fresh and clean, and then put on your favorite, coziest set of sweats. It is the worst feeling when that happens and you realize you don't have that like top tier set clean. And that is what's driving me forward, thinking about that moment when I get to crawl into my fresh sheets with my favorite sweatshirt on and read a book. I'm so excited. It's alarming how clean my bathroom already feels after I removed all of the clothes on the ground. A very important part of a reset day is multitasking. Right now, I'm going to brush out my absolutely filthy hair and put some hair oil in. Putting a hair mask in is kind of the same sort of thing as taking your sheets off and putting them in the wash, because once you've gone down that road, you can't turn back. You have to finish cleaning your bedding so that you can sleep in your bed at night, and you have to shower and wash your hair so that you can get all of the oily hair mask out of it. I especially love doubling up a hair mask when I'm doing something else productive, so that I know that my shower marks the end of whatever task I'm doing. Like, especially if I'm working out, I love putting in a hair mask before I work out and then putting my hair in a braid and letting it sit for like half hour, whatever I'm working out for. And then I feel so extra silky and smooth after I shower. I've been trying, if my hair is already really dirty, to brush it over and over again to like try to move all of those natural oils down the hair shaft. I think that's what you're supposed to be doing. It really just feels really nice too. But I've heard a lot of people talk about how this method has helped their hair growth like exponentially. I don't know if it also has to do with the fact that you're kind of like stimulating and exfoliating your scalp, but you're also conditioning the hair with the oils from your scalp. So I don't know. The hair oil that I'm using, different feel. This is argan oil. This is just argan oil, and I just put it on my scalp like this. It feels like really satisfying to apply. I don't really know. I don't see a huge difference, but it could be the oil I'm using, or my technique is just garbage. I don't know. And then another multitasking thing that I need to get done is, while my hair is up in this mask, when I'm doing a huge reset shower, I am so conscious of like any oils and stuff like that carrying over anywhere after I shower. And so one major thing that's made a difference in my hair recently is I've started regularly, or like semi-regularly, washing my hairbrush. It makes such a difference when your hairbrush is clean that your hair washes can just last that much longer, especially if you have fine hair or hair that's really prone to being oily. All you do is fill the sink with hot water, put your hairbrush in, dish soap. This is natural dish soap, and I'm just doing a few pumps. And then when that comes out of the water, I scrub it with a toothbrush that I obviously don't use anymore. And that helps really clean the hairbrush. A very not cute part of this reset routine is I'm gonna clean my shower out. So I've just spent the past half hour condensing products because I had way too many in there, to the point where I couldn't fit anything on the shelves anymore because of half empty things and just empty things that I was too lazy to take out of there. Something about me gets really like icked out by showers, and so I'm not gonna show you cleaning my shower because I just feel like I wouldn't want to watch that, so I'm not gonna expose you to that. I have used like a foaming sort of thing in the past. I don't actually even know where that is, but this is what I've been doing for my sink, and it's been working really, really well. And that is just using dish soap, the same natural dish soap I use for my hairbrush. I've put it in this really pretty William Morris bottle. But I've found, like, in terms of descaling, if that's the word, and like just cutting through like grime and like soap buildup, especially in the shower and the sink, that dish soap is just really good for that. And what I've been using to scrub that is this wooden like vegetable brush. These are really like stiff bristles, so they scrub very aggressively. And so this is my combo that I love, and I keep it on this really cute glass tray. So I'm gonna start just scrubbing the shower. No real technique involved, and hopefully that cleans it. My shower is cleaned. I have toilet bowl cleaner in the toilet. My sheets are almost done, and so I'm gonna start dusting any surfaces that I can clear off. This is my favorite cleaner right now. It's really nice for the winter time, I feel like. It's by Ecomax. It's a bathroom cleaner, but it's kind of just all-purpose, and it's made with spearmint oil, so it's like a really nice uplifting smell at this time of year. I try to do this like once a week, and also like dust collects on your walls too, so dust those.